Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Tuesday, February 4th. Hope you guys are doing well. I was up 750 today, so almost max profit, very close to yesterday. Yesterday I did a 2 lot at the open. Today I just did a 1 lot. That was basically the difference here. A lot of strikes today, and that's because I used the OptionOmega bot for both the 130 and 230 entries, and I was off by 5 points for my manual entries on both of those. So a little bit more of a leveling there. The VIX was down overnight, but the futures, the forward slash VX, was actually up. And plus with the premium so jacked and doing the reverse hire and fly, I don't like that risk to reward, where you're risking about 2,200 to make 800. Not a fan of that, so I'll put on my regular Iron Condor here. And out of the gate, we shot higher, and then we basically went flat the rest of the day. So even with this up move, volatility dropped quite a bit. So I wasn't really tested at all today. My my strike here was 60.60, and the top here was just below 60.45. So over 15 points away on the call side. Put side was never even close. The afternoon at 12:30. I put on a short put spread. Mine was the 6,005 strike. The OptionOmega bot opened up at 6,000. If we take a look at that, the OptionOmega bot got a 115 fill on a 110 limit. So that was an excellent fill. And then about a minute later, because the market actually was moving up at this point, I had to go up 5 points, and I got 125 in credit there. So the line here was just my strike. The OptionOmega bot was actually 5 points lower. So that was a clear winner. And then the 130 entry, similar situation there. Mine was a 60.25. The OptionOmega bot was 60.20. So if we look at that one, and I was watching the OptionOmega bot live, it kept having to downtick because the market was moving up. So it tries to put on the order right at 130 or a few seconds after 130. And it replaced the order a couple times, got filled at 95 cents. And I had to go up 5 strikes or 5 points, 1 strike only, and got filled for 120. So overall, a good day. Can't really complain. We did have this big drop here. Trump said something about Iran at this point. So it's something to keep in mind. Trump likes to talk in the afternoon. And so, that's when a lot of volatility can happen. Something to keep in mind. Luckily, there's still a lot of premium, so we were able to get quite a bit away. Here I was, let's see, it was roughly 60.35. So the OptionOmega bot got 15 points away. I got 10 points away. So overall, pretty good. I'm going to switch over here to my web browser so I can show you guys the OptionOmega bot today. So here were the fills for the OptionOmega bot. Like I said yesterday, since I have the stop on the short only instead of the spread, it breaks it out into the long and short. So that's why it's four trades. It looks like it's really 4 legs, 2 options, but these are grouped and these are grouped. So full winner there. If we go through reporting, sometimes it takes a little bit of time. Might be 3:15, so in like 2 minutes when the report updates. But another full winner here today. I said yesterday I would like to have a stop out happen this week just so I can see how everything fills with the exit criteria that I have. I'll be away from my computer next week, and I'm contemplating whether or not to keep the OptionOmega bot on. I'm leaning towards not, since it would only be my second week, and I just want to be there just in case. I don't want to have to worry about something happening. So that is there. And then for news this morning, the job openings number, if we go back to the platform, sorry, I'm jumping around here. 9 o'clock. So that's what kicked off this bull run here. Jobs opening. There was less job openings, which market liked. So market went up. And then it looks like Trump is speaking here in about an hour's time, about 4:10 Central. Tomorrow we've got the employment change at 7:15 Central, 8:15 Eastern, and PMI at 9 o'clock Central. So look out for that tomorrow. Another event. I'm assuming that the VIX will stay elevated tomorrow. It was down quite a bit today, 8%, but it's still pretty elevated. With the VIX being higher like this, even if we have a number during the market open or during the market hours, premiums are usually a little bit higher, so it can absorb some of that move. More so when VIX is low. So you can see earlier 2 weeks ago, VIX was around 15, and it's really been hovering around 18 for the majority of the last week and a half. But still on the downturn here. I know earnings were also a big factor. Google came out right at the end of the day here. Looks like, and this is the NASDAQ, but it looks like Google took it lower and it's rebounding a little bit. If we take a look. Yeah, so it must be some other earnings that came out that brought it higher. I know Google had like a 12-point expected move, and it looks like it's down 13 points. So right about there. Yeah, other than that, SPX did well today. Might as well show one thing here. An OptionOmega. My Wednesday trades. What I'll be looking to put on, and I haven't done it the last 2 weeks, but it's putting on a double calendar at about 9 o'clock. I'll show that here. So about 9 o'clock Central. I've forgotten to put it on the last couple weeks, but here's the criteria for that. And once you get access to the bot trading, you can see you can do create automated strategy. So if you click this, you can basically turn this into a bot trade, which is awesome. But let's just run this, update it. I haven't updated it for a while. Let's see how it would have turned out the last couple of weeks. I'll cancel this so you can see. So we're down here at 114,606 for the last couple of weeks. Just run this quick. Looks like it would have been a couple losers, so about $5,000 less. So yeah, in 2025, this trade hasn't been doing good, so probably a good thing that I've forgotten to put this on. So I'll probably put it on maybe a one lot. I think typically I've been doing 2 or 3 lot trades for this when I have put it on. But you can see back in 2023, it did super well and moderately well in 22 and 24. And this is only allocating 5% of your portfolio. And in 2023, it made 60% return on your portfolio and closer to 20 to 25% last year and in 2022. So backtesting is not a guarantee of future returns, obviously, but I've liked this strategy in the past, but we're on a little bit of a downtrend here, and a lot of times this likes more of a sticky volatility. And if we go back to the VIX here, you can see that there's a lot of red candles with the VIX. If we go to 1 day and we go back 2 months, Where a lot of these, it's red, 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 red drop, and then you have a gap up, and then a down move. A couple small green candles, but a lot of this shows that the bigger down moves are overnight, and then a little bit of a rally during the day, or VIX contraction, which isn't helpful with that strategy. So if that trend continues, then that double calendar probably won't do too well. But if we see a little bit of a pop in vol, then that trade will do well. So I'll probably put that on about 9 o'clock Central, and we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.